Very happy evening to all. My dear lovable students, this is a clarification video which I am doing because we are getting lot of queries regarding direct tax final and indirect tax final. There are so many doubts are there because we have changed the pattern of classes from this new syllabus. This is how we are conducting the class for this November attempt onwards. Actually, we used to take class. இப்போ ஒரு attempt na, இப்போ ஒரு May examination, இப்போ coming November examination எடுத்துப்போமே. I used to take both direct tax and indirect tax in the old syllabus. But in the new syllabus, that actually they have increased a lot of new things like MCQ, case scenarios, case loss in tax. So many new additions are there. Even though they have kept the subject as same, they have changed the examination pattern. So it is not possible to complete both DT and IDT for a short span of 3 months or 4 months. That too, when it comes to the end, the revision that will be stuck up. So from new syllabus, we have changed the pattern, my dear lovable students. If it is November, we are doing face-to-face indirect tax classes. Now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, morning 7 to 9 o'clock at A&M classes premises, we are doing indirect taxes for this November batch. Actually, we have started that batch and we are in the mid of completion of customs. This is how we have planned the IDT. I have classified the subject into 3 categories: indirect taxes, Set A, Set N and Set M. Set A, I have taken customs and FTP obviously. That we have given 20 marks weightage. And Set N, which is an interportion, which is starting from section 7 supply, 8 composite and mixed supply, 9 levy and collection of CGST, like that it goes till section 53 transfer of ITC. That area is more or less asking for 40 to 45 mark in examination. And the Set M, the main set, assessment set, which are starting with section 54 refund till 140, which will come for 40 mark in examination. That means, my dear lovable students, we are doing it as 3 set: customs 7 to 53 and 54 to 140. Now, every day morning we are doing customs and we are going to complete the customs. We have came halfway through. More than 50 to 60% of the customs has been completed. Sir, what are the resources we will be completing in every chapter? Since now I am dealing only in indirect taxes, I am taking only indirect taxes for this coming November examination because new syllabus really want more preparation. It is not like old syllabus, my dear lovable students. There we can study A category and B category and we can leave C category. But since MCQ and case scenarios are there, straight away they are asking C category in the MCQs and case scenarios. So we can't leave anything. If we leave anything and we escape from IDT, we are caught in IBS. So we have to prepare 360-degree coverage. So since we are doing elaborately, we are covering ICI study material of every chapter, then RTP, MTP question, at least the last 5 RTP from every chapter, RTP and MTP, and past examination question for your practice. Once the chapter 1 particular chapter over, then itself we are doing these 3 things. This is the additional preparation material we are doing. And if anyone is not able to come and attend the class, sir, we are available with A&M virtuals. There, even full class if you want, that is available. And even set wise also available. So I want only customs, then you can subscribe for customs. Sir, I want only 7 to 53, that is inter part, you can subscribe for that. And assessment part, you can subscribe for that. So this is the model in which we are conducting the classes for CA Final 4 indirect tax. So you have basically a question: Sir, are you not doing direct tax final for this November examination? I am not doing face-to-face classes, my dear lovable students, because it is not practically possible to complete both DT and IDT within the short span of next 3 months, because only we are having morning 2.5 hours of class. So, for the May examination, we have conducted one batch. In that batch, we have done around 180 hours of class. That recorded lectures, we are giving it as A&M virtuals. Then, there also we have classified into 3 categories: Set A, Set N and Set M. Set A stands for assessment, Set N stands for non-resident, Set M stands for main computation of total income. Inside this we are having IFOS, capital gain and PGBP, basically the interportion. And some students have subscribed to this, and every Saturday and Sunday, since it should not be exclusively an video lectures, so I am revising that on every Saturday and Sunday. I have already uploaded 1 week revision lecture of assessment procedure as combined, as we will be uploading the week 2 video very soon. So like that, you can complete that, and the order of study is, first you have to complete the assessment, and we are in the halfway of assessment. Sir, we have completed the assessment procedure. Actually, we are now into the appeals and revision. So this is our target. So if you are subscribing to the A&M virtuals, the DT class, and if you are seeing at home, that too I will tell you how you have to prepare that. And if possible, Saturday and Sunday come to premises A&M classes. Otherwise, I will be uploading the revision lecture in every Saturday and Sunday. There also we will be covering ICA study material question, RTP, MTP and the past examination question. Sir, that is also available at A&M virtuals. So basically, the future plan of tax at A&M classes will be, for the November examination, face-to-face IDT class will be available, and for the next May examination, that means after November, from December onwards, December, January, February, March and April, 5 months we will be conducting face-to-face class of direct tax, and indirect tax we will be doing virtuals, and every Saturday and Sunday we will be revising the IDT portions. This is how we are planning, because we are doing now CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final, and I want to complete that very clearly, that with lot of revisions and marathons and past examination question. Fantastic to the core. At the next lot of questions and queries which are asking at the admin people is, will there be no crash for November examination? Yes, every batch regular and crash will be there for CA final. For September month, we are planning crash, my dear lovable students. 1 to 15 days we are planning direct tax, and 16 to 30, another 2 weeks we are planning indirect tax. Since now September month is a inter examination month, I will be free at that month and full time, that is from morning 7 till evening 5. 15 days I will be taking direct tax, and 15 days I will be taking indirect tax. So if you are planning for crash, September is the month. Sir, even though we have started customs, we are going to, sir, finish it off. I think we'll be finish it off within another 7 days to 10 days. Customs will be over. Still, if you want to be part and parcel, because 3 or 4 members have inquired like that, can we join in between? My dear lovable students, if you want, you can now also come and join. The next topic will be starting from 3rd or 4th of June. Then whatever customs we have done, we will be giving you as video classes, and the revisions will be coming on Saturdays and Sundays. Wherever you are studying, my dear lovable students, if you are preparing for this examination, November examination, prepare from the start. Still we are having 5 months of time. That is now May only over. June, July, August, September and October. 5 solid months are there. Prepare that 5 solid months. Now, what is the trend or tendency? What I am seeing is, students are deferring to the end and last 1 month or 2 months they are seeing marathons or they are seeing some lectures and they are feeling that they have prepared very well and they are going and writing an examination. But at CA final level and all, we have to prepare in depth, we have to prepare very thoroughly without compromise in the quality and the portions. That too you have to write at least 1 or 2 mock tests also. So wherever you are studying, my dear lovable students, whether it is self-study or here or anywhere, plan yourself, because November should be an emotion for us. We should be able to pass in this November itself. If you are having any further more queries, I believe that whatever I have noted has been said to you. If you are having any further more queries regarding to the November batch or the coming May batch or the crash batch or the virtuals, these are the various batches we are conducting at CA final level. You can either contact me, sir, 960-500-1043. This is my number. You can WhatsApp me, or you can contact at A&M classes administration number, because they are not able to answer all the questions since different set of doubts are asking at CA final level. That's why I thought that let me do a exclusive video. What are the courses available? What are the courses we are projecting for the coming examination? And we are planning for test series also, A&M test series, which are exclusively for CA final students. You can subscribe for direct tax, indirect tax, whether you are student or not. We are in the process of preparation of that question papers and all. We will be launch that very soon. Every part will be having 3 examination: exam A, exam N and exam M. The portal and online facility and all is ready. We'll be coming that with very soon, my dear lovable students. So plan yourself. If you need any help for that, you can freely contact me at this number. I'm wishing you all the very best at CA final level in the November. We'll meet at the classes for revision and YouTube and virtuals till that time.